How to activate a Suncorp Bank credit card online. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to search for Suncorp Bank. Here you want to click on the very first website, or you can directly type suncorp.com.au and that's going to take you to this website. Click on the login option and then select internet banking from there. Here, in order to log in, you want to enter your customer ID. Click on the link below in case you have forgotten your customer ID. Now enter your password. Click on Forgot Your Password in order to reset it. If you have a token code, you can enter it on this box below. Now you want to click on the option of Login. If you are new to this, click on the option of Register in order to create a new account. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to click on the option of My Accounts. Then from there, click on My Bank Accounts. After that, you want to click on the option of Go to Credit Card Services. The link will be beneath your credit card number. After that, click on Card Services. Then click on the option of Activate My Card. Now you want to provide the required information to activate your card. This includes entering the 16-digit credit card number, the expiration date, and the security code located at the back of your card. Depending on the bank security measures, you may need to verify your identity before proceeding with the activation process. This is going to include a one-time passcode via SMS or email. Once you have entered the necessary information, complete any required verification steps and confirm that you want to activate the credit card, and just in these simple steps your credit card is going to be activated. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.